Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about the Hygiene Hero Vipstick Serum, a skincare product trending for promising pore tightening, smoother texture, and zero breakouts. And we've been using it ourselves to see if it really works or if it's just packaging and hype. The serum comes in a sleek bottle with claims of shrinking pores, controlling oil, reducing acne, and improving skin texture. We use it morning and night for over 2 weeks. First impression, it's lightweight, absorbs quickly, and gives a cooling sensation. No sticky residue, which we love. Our skin felt smoother by week 1, especially around the nose and chin area, where pores usually look larger. Pros, light formula, good for oily or combination skin, does minimize shine throughout the day, slightly reduces appearance of pores, sits well under makeup, no strong fragrance, didn't burn or sting. And cons, it didn't completely erase texture or blackheads. It caused small breakouts for the first few days, probably from purging. And if you have dry or sensitive skin, it can feel a bit drying or tight. Also, ingredients like salicylic acid are present but not in high enough concentration to treat severe acne. Would you recommend it? Yes, for oily or combination skin needing light pore care, but no if you're expecting intense transformation or have sensitive skin. Pair it with moisturizer and sunscreen for best results. This has been how to keep things smart and simple and scam-free.